Welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Chef Pam, and today we're going to dive right in. I've got whole fish here, and we're going to fry it up. It's actually a croaker fish. We used to have them and catch them all the time as a kid, and they are absolutely amazing. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification bell so you won't miss anything, and then just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Now we're going to start off with our cornmeal. This is not cornmeal mix. This is actually just plain cornmeal, yellow cornmeal. I'll have all the ingredients and exact measurements in the description. We also have an egg, heavy milk, some lemon juice, and we have to fry this up in shortening. Don't try to use vegetable oil or anything like that. Shortening is the key here. So we're going to go ahead and add in also garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, and a little cayenne pepper as well. Now I have my fish here in a bowl, and I've already cleaned them and washed them in lemon, but I'm going to add some lemon juice and let them hang around in this lemon juice for a few minutes while we make up our batter for the fish. Make sure each piece gets down in that lemon juice. It's going to add an amazingly delicious flavor. Oh my goodness. I always add lemon to my seafood or my fish, but no matter how I'm cooking it. So let's go ahead. I have a couple of eggs in here, and to these eggs, we're going to be adding in some heavy cream. Now, typically I would add in milk, but I was out of milk. So I'm going to thin this out just a little bit with a couple of tablespoons of water. Go ahead, mix that in really well. Make sure all that egg is beat up in there. And we're going to then season this mix. We have to season everything. You know how I am. Season in layers. So right now I'm going to add in some garlic powder. Adding in some onion powder, and you can actually use your own favorite seasonings, whatever they may be. You might want to add a little Old Bay in there. I'm also going to add in just a tad bit of cayenne pepper. It's just going to give it a little kick without being really hot. But if you don't want the heat, you can switch that out for paprika if you want. Add in your salt and your pepper to taste as always. Now go ahead and make sure you get that well combined. Stir it up. You don't want anything separated in there. After we get this beat up, we're going to do the same thing with our cornmeal. We're going to season it just like we did the batter. Make sure you combine that really well too. Now we're going to take our fish out of the lemon juice and just let it hang out. We don't need to rinse it or anything. I just poured the lemon juice off, but I didn't rinse the fish. Now, after that, we're going to season our fish as well. And you always want to pat your seasoning down on your meat so that it'll stick really well. Now we're ready to batter her up. We're going to take our whole fish just as it is and put it in our egg mixture. Make sure it's coated really well on all sides through and through. Drip off that extra. We don't need that. That'll just fry up in clumps. So make sure you shake that extra off. Get it in the cornmeal and season it all over with this cornmeal mixture. Make sure that when you season with the cornmeal, you sit this little fish up and open it up on the inside and sprinkle some of that cornmeal in there just like this. Just sprinkle it right on in there because all of that's going to fry up nice and crispy. You just want to repeat this process until all your pieces of fish are well coated. And this is what they should look like once we have them all done. So now you guys can go ahead and meet me at the stove. Okay, guys, we need to make sure our temp is up to 350, as I mentioned a minute ago. So use a thermometer if you need to. That's going to ensure that our fish comes out nice and crispy. Don't drop it in, sit it in, and make sure you sit the fish in going away from you so it won't splatter on you. Now, we're going to fry all our fish about 5 to 7 minutes on each side. So we're going to just let this fry up. Then we're going to turn it over and go from there. So I'll be right back. Okay, guys, we're ready to turn this over. Take a look. Look at that crispy fish. Oh my goodness. Amazingly delicious, and it smells so good. Oh my goodness. Delicious. Let it cook 5 to 7 minutes on the second side, and then we'll be done. I'll bring you guys up close so you can take a really good look. Look at that, guys. See how the inside there got nice and crispy because we put the cornmeal down in there, right in there. So don't forget that step. Boy, I wish you guys could smell this. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Now I'm going to bring you guys up close so you can take a look. Okay, guys, we are all done. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me in my kitchen today. Doesn't that look amazing? So nice and crispy. Oh my goodness. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and do me a favor, share it out and let everybody you know, family, friends, relatives, co-workers, that Pam at Cooking at Pam's Place is over here cooking up easy, simple, made from scratch meals that you can make in your kitchen too. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely delicious. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.